Hello, my name is Nerijamile Moya Fandiño. In presentation, my perfect day. I am perfect day in the family and in the live beach. Bueno, accompanied in the family, in the father, mother, brother, sister, grandmother, grandfather, in the NIFAO. In the enjoyed it wonderful and sunny and hot in the weather and the swim in the sea and the fun. At the lunch in the delicious paella and the washing the majestuous sea in the in the surprise in the surprise in the uh, in the afternoon touring in the city in the by busy called wish family and the enjoying the Susan of the Jack. In finality, in the visiting an amusement park, in the enjoying in the family. Thank you.